Hazrat Qais bin Abu Hazim states that he heard Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu say that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, "Won't you relieve me of the agony to Zul Khalasa?" It was an idol called Kaaba Yamaniya, and people would worship it. I submitted, "I cannot sit firm on a horse." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck my chest with his hand and invoked, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, keep him steadfast and make him a guiding and guided one." He states, "I accompanied by 50 men riders of Ahmas, my tribe set out." Sufyan states, "I along with the contingent from my tribe proceeded, reached there and burned it." I then came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I left it like a scabby came, completely wrecked." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon invoked for Ahmas and its cavalry. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6333.